Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Good day, mate.
So today we're going to do the run-up on the ThunderMax for this 2025 Lowrider ST that we did the 484 cam in and the Trask breather, ThunderMax, adjustable push rods, all that kind of stuff. So we hadn't started it yet, but I did put a map in it. I've done plenty of videos with map loading, all that kind of stuff. So if you're curious, look back at one of my other dozens of videos with ThunderMax loading and map choices. So bear with me, let me get everything set up and we'll crank this thing up and see how it acts. And there's the link light. Let's let it link up. What we'll do is we'll double check ourselves and we'll pull the data out of the ThunderMax that I know I loaded in there, but we're just going to do it anyway and make sure. All right, so let's go up here to map editing and let's read to make sure. This is a map I've used before on these same exact bikes and it works great. Okay, now we're going to go in here and hit monitor, and I want to go to air fuel ratio curves and AFR correction versus air temperature. Now remember, this is a modified map from a 480, but it's been run through several different 117s with the same cam, 2-in-1 header, the whole thing. So we're sitting at 74 degrees. That's about the right temperature in the room right now. And we're going to go ahead and start the bike.
A few moments later.
All right, we're at 192 degrees. I let it go a little bit further than normal, but as you can see, it's following along with the map. So we're going to do this a couple more times and take it out for a ride. All right, after test riding this bike 2 or 3 times, checking the ThunderMax and everything, it's spot on, ready to go. These things are monsters. That cam setup with the 2-in-1 and the ThunderMax 5.5 injectors, these new heads on these 25s, the new intake manifold, these things are monsters. Talked to the folks down at Cyclerama, Pam and Wes, and they say they regularly see 140 and 140 on these things, just the cam install on these 117s, 25s, 24s and 25s. But this thing, I don't have a dyno here, so I can't show you a piece of paper with numbers on it. I'm going by what the people that manufacture the cams go by. They do have a dyno down there at their facility. So it's the same motorcycle, same engine, and the results are going to be the same within 2 or 3 numbers anyway. So, all right, there you have it. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one. So, as usual, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, thanks for watching anyway, because I know you got this far in the video. I'm always here at the shop, usually. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or call on the phone. If you're within 100 miles, come on by one day. You know, if you have something you want done, come on by and see the shop, talk to us. We're just regular dudes. So, I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.